Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok homepage not working or scrolling properly on iPhone after update. So guys, let's get start this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, clear cache on the TikTok app. So for this, go to settings and scroll down, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage and scroll down to find TikTok. So here's the TikTok. Tap on offload app here. Wait for it. So after offloading, tap on reinstall app. So wait for it. So here is reinstalling the TikTok app again. And then after this, the next solution is update your TikTok app. So for this, go to App Store here. Go to the search section and search TikTok. So TikTok is installing on my iPhone. And after this, you can update the TikTok app from here. And then after this, the next solution is turn off and turn on and turn off the airplane mode on your iPhone. And then after this, the next solution is change your Wi-Fi network if it's not working. So for this, go to settings, go to Wi-Fi and change your Wi-Fi network, or you can use your cellular data. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.